Welcome back. We're going to continue refactoring. This time we're going to look at how to take care of connect. To do so, first of all, we want to look at this line here. Technically, it doesn't really belong in our program. So let's take it out. What we want this file to do is just display the results of our database connection. What we can do is move this into our connection.php file. Now, because we're going to want to use connect in some other programs, we can make this global. And usually I do not recommend using global. It's not a good principle, but this time it is not going to change. And so we're going to do it. Go back to raises and we can test this. Refresh. Everything's working fine. Next, we've got this error. And again, an error. Should that really be in our main program? No, let's put it out in its own box. So let's make a new file underneath database, since it's a database error. And we'll call it errors.php. And what we can do here is, let's paste this in. I've gotten this from one I worked on earlier. It just has the name of the function, but it's the exact same code. Also, please note that we've got the constants that we created in our connection file that are listed here. I can save this, and that also means we need to call this function. So I'm going to copy that so we can pass around that global connect variable. Back to raises. And now we can paste this in. We need to remove this. We're no longer using it here. Instead, we're just going to call that function. And then also we've created a new file, right? Errors.php. So we're going to need to include that as well. All right, let's test that. And that's working fine. That gives you an idea of how we can use connect and connection and errors. And in our next screencast, we'll take a look at the query.